What's up, everyone? Today we have this is the Rosewill RK9000 V2BR. That's a odd name, but I know it's a model number. Yes, it's for their Cherry MX Brown mechanical keyboard. Not the gaming design one, just like, you know, it looks pretty standard. Wow, I didn't know Clorox or was it Lysol spray could destroy these thermal printed labels. Like, this isn't video editing you're seeing. Look, I'm going to move it around. Like, that label really has been erased by Lysol spray. I don't know how to do video editing. That's to prove it, really. So it comes with a PS2 to USB adapter, I guess for older computers out there. It comes with a USB to those mini type B USBs. Okay. Instructions. And of course the keyboard itself. And this looks to be in this little wrapping. Come on. So it's an MX Brown. This keyboard was about 80 bucks. No, actually 67 when I bought it. So it supposedly has real Cherry MX switches. Just checking to see they all have the same feel. I bought a keyboard a few years ago. Every key felt different. Like, no, not different rows of keys. Every single key was different. Until I found out, I believe, every switch was also different because the stem had a different color on it. Just making sure that these more affordable mechanical keyboards all feel the same. But that's also a sound test. Ignore the TV in the background. The mechanical keyboard sounds better. Alright, so they all feel about the same. They said do not remove this sticker, and I know why. Warranty. Alright. So let's put this here, and it won't fall down, hopefully. I'm just going to fold these in so that they don't get in the way and stick to random things. Okay, now let's talk about that cable. Sorry, I had to do this. It might take a bit of time. That cable, I have a problem with it. I'm not going to be using it, I'll tell you that. And instead, I will be using another mini USB cable. I know it comes with this. I saw it on the Amazon comments. Amazon link will be in the description below. Notice the right angle, the 90-degree angle. Some users of this keyboard have commented that it pulls on the keyboard because your cable doesn't necessarily go directly left or directly right. It might go straight back like mine does. So they said it tugs on the port and breaks it. Someone even posted a picture after they took apart this keyboard at the port broke. So that is going to be going to my storage room, and I'll choose a different cable. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, as you can probably tell, the cable here, like I said earlier, is not 90 degrees now. The other one's in my storage drawer. This one's actually a standard looking mini USB type B cable. I think that's what they're called. There it is. It's straight, so it goes behind my table and into my computer, which is on the floor, which is, well, where most people's computers are. Even if it's on your desk, it would go back and then to wherever the PC is. Who turns their cable 90 degrees? I don't know, whatever. But yeah, I replaced it with a regular one. I know it's not a braided cable, doesn't have that, you know, gamer type look. but I wasn't going for that gamer type look as you see by my mouse over there. That is a Logitech M500S. It's definitely not a gamer mouse. I'd say more of like an office mouse or something like that. Something you'd find in an office setting. It's a full-size mouse, so it fits my hand well. But that's not what we're here for. So the keyboard's been set up. It looks nice. Has it has a red colored backplate, which I'm not exactly a fan of. It should be black or brown actually, because these have brown switches. I was thinking it's only red for the MX red version of this, but no, it's actually red for all of them, even the MX blue models that they have. Well, okay. I was hoping you could choose what color you want for the backplate, but hey, it's not that customizable then. But that doesn't matter. Now, here's one MX Brown is. That's the switch. But here's the difference, for the ones who don't know, between the most popular ones I know about, which are the MX Red, MX Brown, and MX Blue. MX Red does not have a tactile bump or sound. So it basically goes all the way down, you don't feel anything, and it actuates without you really knowing. Well, of course you know that because you press the key. Now, in the middle, I'd say, is MX Brown, which does have that tactile bump. You feel it, okay? When you press it, you will feel a little bump. And that is when you know you actuated the switch, and you will definitely see it on the computer. But it does not have any noise, as you can see. There's no loud click. Actually pretty silent. I'll bring out my MX Blue keyboard, which I do have to show next, for the last type of switch that you can get on this model of keyboard. This is the BR, which means brown. There is one that is RE, which means red. I don't know what the blue switch one is. But anyway, here's a MX Blue keyboard. It's not a real Cherry MX Blue, it's actually a clone. I got this cheap, that's why. There's a clone type switch. Take a listen. There's a very audible click, and there's also that tactile bump. You can hear that probably from outside the house. I don't know, but it's very loud. You can hear it from across the room, definitely. But yeah, this is kind of in the middle. Has the bump, but no sound. So yeah, that's kind of why I got this. Kind of want to keep the noise down, especially when I'm gaming. Don't want people to listen in, that they know I'm gaming, you know, all that. But onto what could apply to everyone. How it feels to type on. You could use it for gaming. You could use it for typing. You could. It's a very it's a keyboard, you know. You can use it for basically anything you do on a computer. Alright, I'm going to move the camera up because I have a typing test open. Right there. Let's see. Okay, leave it there. Okay, there's the full view of the computer. I got 63 on my first run. Wonder what I'll get now. Probably lower because the camera's in the way. Let me move that aside. Actually, I want to get an even higher score. Alright, pan the camera over. How can I make it listen to it? I think I should just have like where my head would be to listen. Alright, let's do this. Typing test, let's do it. oh, I got 59 this time, adjusted, but 60 if it's not adjusted. I got 98% accuracy, whatever. But what you were here for was the noise of the keyboard. As you can tell, it doesn't have that sharp click that's really, you know, high pitch and would alert everyone that you're typing. You know, it's a bit quieter, but still nice to type on. You get that, like I said, there's a bump there, which could be satisfying in a way, because you know you've pressed the key and all that. It kind of helps sometimes. Overall, it's a pretty nice one to type on, better than an MX Red, because at least you feel, you know, that little bump. It is helpful when you know about it, especially if you've been using an MX Blue or something like that for a long time, or basically any other keyboard, because the MX Red is the only type, other than a few others, that don't have a bump. It's fully linear. Yeah, so that's kind of my thoughts about this keyboard. Pretty good. Only complaint is the included USB cable that is bent at an angle that you cannot bend back. Maybe if they develop some kind of cool new cable, you can bend in all, you know, 180-degree angle. You can face left, right, back, even like over there to the side. That'd be nice. And my only other complaint is, well, for me personally, is the color of the backplate. But it shouldn't matter to most people, as you're not staring at the keyboard all the time. But yeah, it has a very subtle look, which I like. It matches the overall theme of this computer. The speakers, obviously, those would usually be found in probably an office setup, the mouse as well, and well, now the keyboard. It's not one of those really flashy RGB LED gaming keyboards and that. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Amazon link again will be in the description. And thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more tech videos. Hit the like button, like I said, if you like this video. I'll see you next time.